Hello and welcome to this new video on how to change Reddit username. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos, and let's get started. So the Reddit doesn't provide you any features to change your username. Once your username is set, then you won't be able to change it. But there is one optional thing. If you have created your account with email or Apple ID, then you may be able to change within the 30 days, but when the 30 days mark is passed, then you won't be able to change the username. You have to use the same username, or you can delete the account. Or if you want a new username, then there is an option that you can create a new account with a new Google ID or a new Apple ID. So to conclude, you don't have any features to change the Reddit username. Only the option to change the Reddit username is to create a new account, or if you have created a new account using Gmail or Apple ID, then you have 30 days to change the username. And if that is passed, then you won't be able to change it. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.